In this video, we will see project structure and GI for project process. For that, go to ASMRP module, go to Masters, Manufacturing and Equipment BOM. We'll see the project whose status is approved. Different statuses are given: revised, review, sales close, new, BOM revised. So we need approved status project. So these are the list of the approved projects. We will open this first project. Here details are given. Under ECAP category, part items are in it. This is the required quantity of this particular project for 87502 for this different part item. Now we will go to SO screen. On SO screen, for the same project, this required quantity is not yet shipped. So we will see the process of shipment called as GI for project. So for that, change the status of this project ending with L007 to ready to GI. Ready to GI, click on save. Now this project is showing ready to GI status. And before doing the process of shipment, first of all, we will have to reserve stock of those all part items from warehouse. So masters warehouse information, part by warehouse reservation. Warehouse is a factory warehouse. We will search project. So this project required three part items with these quantities. Required quantity is 555. We can see on part by reservation screen, part by warehouse reservation screen, the details are given like what UR stock available, what reserved on hand quantity is available, what is the required quantity, if any insufficient quantity, for which project it is required, MPV flag, whether it is a purchase item, whether it is a vendor item, whether it is a manufacturing item, if stock is reserved or no, those details are also given here. So here we can see this is untick now, so that means this is not yet reserved. So the unreserved hand quantity here given as a 2 for B1112 part, and the insufficient quantity is 3. If your stock is available for this part item, then we can select the records, select all the part items and click on reserve stock so that stock gets reserved. Reserve hand quantity shows 555 and your stock gets deducted from the current stock. So this will be shown. Now we will see the process of GI for projects. For that, go to sales, goods issue and GI for project. This is the shipment project. For this project, the required part item with the quantity will be shipped. Click on show. So this GI for project screen have different tabs: review, schedule, pick, pack, material packing, logistic and ship. So it is showing the list of projects which are in the ready to GI state. So one of our project is ending with L007 is also in the ready to GI state. So therefore it started showing on the screen. So for performing the shipment process of this project, we will have to select this record and add to pick list. Once we added it to pick list, it will go in the pick tab. From the pick tab, we can see the details of that project. in the pack tab, we can pack that particular project's part item. Also, packing material can be attached to it and logistic can be shipped. So we will see once it is added to pick list, it starts showing in the blue color. Since the jobs are there to execute this process, so it takes some time. Once it is added to pick list, it will start showing in this list here. If no errors are there for that project, for example, if stock is available, no any error is there, then it will not show on the screen. This is the exception screen in which if project is having any error, that will be listed here. For example, this project is having part numbers are not reserved issue. In the pack tab, it is showing projects which are ready to pack. So for packing particular project, we will have to click on pick hyperlink and change status of the project to packed, so that this project status will change back to packed and DN number like this will be generated here, which shows detail of which part items from which kit, their description, required quantity. These details are given under this DN number. Once the status is changed to packed, packaging material can be assigned to that project. So the project starts showing here, and from here we have to select project, go to packing material, select which packing material we want to assign and click on assign. So it starts showing from red cross to green cross that ready to ship. Then go in the logistic. Once it is packed and the packing material is assigned, go in the logistic. On the logistic tab, different logistic numbers are given, and here some projects are attached, some projects are not attached. So in that case, we can create a new logistic by clicking add new record button here. Provide here tracker number, the mode of shipment, which user is assigned, and which type of order it is, whether it is local sales order, new local sales, or what, that we have to provide here. So I'm using this, selecting tracker as an example, this, clicking on OK. So new tracker got added here. Logistic number 5334, tracker number is this, which I attached it to. Logistic user is Preeti, showing these are the details. So this is the logistic we created. The project which is packed, packaging material is assigned, that is packed. So that can be attached here by selecting here and by clicking this attached button. So once project is attached here, that means to this logistic, the project which was supposed to ship is now attached, and then we can start changing status of this logistic from new to ship. First, status will be changed from new to approved by loading QC, then from loading QC to shipped. This will be the last status of this logistic. So once that is done, so that project got shipped and it will start showing under this ship tab, where we have to enter here project number which is shipped, and then we can check status by clicking on find button. So yet this project is not shipped, it is under process, so it will not show. So this is the process of GIF for project, in which particular project shipment process goes through these different steps.